back to another episode. Like and subscribe and hit that bell. Today we got 2015 Chevy Cruz 1.4 EcoTech motor turbo. And what we're here to show you is my friend had no heat. No heat. All right. Thermostat in this thing was like $95. Look at this bad boy. Looking at this, I said, oh man, when I got it at the store, it's probably rebuildable. Because if you get something, you could press this spring down, twist that and take it out, and then replace the insides. Well, anyway, they don't sell it. So, next. So anyway, here's the old part. So, I take it apart, and I was going to just first take it apart, and the first thing you do is take it apart and see if the thermostat is wide open or stuck shut. If it was running and it was nice and hot, it should be wide open. Hence, we had no heat. That's our biggest problem. So I take it apart, and as soon as I take the last bolt out, I see this piece was not connected. Look at this thing. Fucking trash. Oh, excuse my language. Trash design. Trash part. Everything with plastic in these motors nowadays is just stupid, pointless. You made this housing out of aluminum, you'll never have that problem in your life. And the thermostat looks so well built, you'll probably never have the thermostat go bad. But no heat. This is the problem. Check it out. Got a sensor. It's fancy. Hooks to a hose. It's an inverted star key and a Phillips head screwdriver you'll need. The inverted star is a E10. E10. I don't know if that'll focus on that. Yes. See? Inverted star. And you'll need a flathead screwdriver. The hardest thing I had to do was take this clip off. This thing's a pain in the butt. You got to squeeze where the grippies are and pull away from the housing in order to be able to get the top bolt on the thermostat housing. So unplug this sensor, unplug that bad boy, 3 bolts out. Oh, and then don't forget to take this off. This is one of them quick snap hoses, like the Volkswagen used forever. Another thing I really don't like, because it's all plastic. Like, this is going to rot away sooner or later. But anyway, enough of boring you. Gotta take these 3 bad boys out, put it back together, fire it back up, and you should have heat. Like and subscribe for more handy, helpful hints. 2015 Chevy Cruz 1.4, no heat.